In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Convertkit form ID, a handy piece of information for website integration, tracking, or any technical task requiring precise identification of your forms. Whether you're a seasoned Convertkit user or just getting acquainted with its features, navigating through its dashboard to locate a form ID can feel a bit like detective work, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily find what you're looking for, enhancing your marketing automation, and ultimately your audience engagement efforts. Let's dive in by first heading over to Convertkit. Convertkit is a powerful email marketing tool designed to help creators like you connect with your audience and grow your business. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Convertkit website. Once you're there, you'll see the home page filled with insights about all the services Convertkit offers, from email marketing to e-commerce tools designed to help you thrive in the digital space. Your next step is to log into your Convertkit account. You can do this by clicking on the login link, typically found in the top right corner of the home page. This link will usher you to the login page, where you'll enter your email address and password associated with your Convertkit account. If this is your first time or you're not yet signed up, I highly recommend going through the sign up process first to set up your account. After entering your credentials, click the Login button once again to access your Convertkit dashboard. The dashboard is your control room, where you'll find an overview of your email campaigns, subscriber lists, and importantly for today's task, your forms and landing pages. Now, to pinpoint exactly where your forms live within Convertkit, look for the Grow option. This is typically located on the left-hand menu or at the top navigation bar of the dashboard, depending on any updates to the Convertkit interface. Grow is where Convertkit houses tools related to building your audience, from sign-up forms to landing pages, making it a vital area for our quest. Click on Grow, and then select Landing Pages and Forms from the drop-down menu or the new page that appears. This action will bring you to a page showcasing all your created forms and landing pages. Here, you'll see a variety of designs and names, each corresponding to different campaigns or purposes for which you intended them. Browse through your list of forms and select the one you're interested in by clicking on it. This will take you to a more detailed view of that specific form. To modify this form or to access its unique ID, look for the Edit button. Clicking Edit transitions you into the Form Editor, a versatile tool allowing you to customize the form's appearance, fields, settings, and more. In the Form Editor, your attention should now shift to your browser's address bar. This is where the URL or web address for this specific Forms Editor page is displayed. In most web browsers, the address bar is located at the top of your window. Here you'll notice a URL containing various elements, but what you're looking for is a specific sequence of numbers towards the end. This sequence is your form ID. It uniquely identifies your form within Convertkit systems, differentiating it from all other forms and pages. Why is this ID important? Knowing your form ID allows for a range of technical tasks. Maybe you're integrating your form with a third-party tool, setting up detailed tracking, or troubleshooting issues with Convertkit's support team. This ID acts as a specific reference point, ensuring everyone knows exactly which form you're discussing or working on. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Convertkit form ID. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but possessing this knowledge empowers you to navigate Convertkit's platform with greater ease and confidence. Remember, every form and landing page you create in Convertkit has its own unique ID, so you can use this method to find IDs for all your forms as needed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial not only helped you locate your form ID within Convertkit, but also offered a glimpse into navigating Convertkit's dashboard more effectively. Whether you're crafting your next email campaign, setting up a new subscriber form, or integrating with other tools, understanding how to find and use your form ID is a valuable skill in leveraging Convertkit to its fullest potential. Keep exploring, keep creating, and see you in the next video.